Now back to writing study work. Now last video we have seen what is that guys? We have seen in 0.6 session, 0.06 session, sorry. And recycle bin is the Oracle 10G Enterprise Edition not supporting certain. Okay, up to this it's not working. When I will install 19.3, this concept is there, guys. Okay, recycling concept are there. Okay, so don't worry up to this. Here I have shown already in the study sessions. I was discussing the very good content in the you will get on search on YouTube. Search on YouTube and iTrick Study Path channel. Get an you will in iTrick Study Path channel. You will get these videos. Okay, you will get these videos. Go and watch one time. These series are there. I will show you. These many videos are there, guys. This video is there. This video is there. You can pause this video so you will get the all clear crystal clarity about this topic. This is the session 6 sessions. Okay. So now this one is also all these courses are going on parallelly. So don't worry up to this. So now let's see. Let's see. One time I want to revise for you guys. So what is the recycling? When you what is the recycling, guys? When you delete the data, when you delete the object inside the database, then one recycle bin concept is there inside the Oracle database, then that deleted table is stored inside the recycle bin. Then you can retrieve the deleted table by using this command flashback. Flashback is the command. Flashback is the command to retrieve the data from the recycle bin. And one more command is there. One more command is the guys. So if you want to delete the table, if you want to delete the table from the recycle bin, the first is the command. Okay. I will one more time I will discuss. Okay. In future, when I will start 19C pieces. Okay. Then I will discuss this one. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry. I'm not escaping. I'm not speaking any, not skipping any one particular topic. I will teach all this thing and with practical and in depth. Don't worry. So large-scale truncate. Truncate means to delete the data, delete the delete the data permanently from the table using truncate. So now this is the command insert. Suppose you insert one record MP1. Okay. Insert into the first one record. I want to insert second also and third also. Now these many records are there. These many records are there. The truncate table. If you perform this truncate operation, then all the data which data are present inside the first table, it will delete it. Okay, guys. So now next is the rename. Rename is if you want to rename the table name. If you want to rename the table name as well as column name, also you can rename the column name by using this command. Simple is this one is a simple concept. The rename first to my. The first is table is existed and rename to my. So here I check the first is after performing this command, after performing this query, I checked this table is existed or not. Let's see. Here first is not existed, but my is existed. My is existed. So now this is the automatically is committed command. Okay, automatically is the committed command. So now I started in the last session. I was started in the last sessions DML query, data manipulation language, data manipulation language. So inside the data manipulation language we have inside the data manipulation language we have insert, update, merge, and delete queries. So these commands are used to manipulate data in table. The four is not required, just remove it. Okay, just remove it. That's it. So manipulate the data. That's it. So first command I have discussed in the last session. Okay, in 06 session, you can go and search in YouTube. I have already told you how to search it. Just go and search in YouTube. Otherwise, you will get these many videos. So go and watch. These videos are there. Oracle PLSQL DML query. Okay, go and watch it, guys. So now here, up to that here. Observe. So now insert. If you want to insert any data into the table, then this is the command. So this is the insert the command what insert. So the variety of the insertion methods are there. Variety three methods. I will discuss three methods. Three methods are there to insert the data. First method I have shown you last sessions. Okay, so not required to repeat one more time. This is the go through and the last time video, so we will get it clarity about this. So now let's start. First, I want to start my Oracle. Let's try. Okay, SQL. Type it here, SQL. I hope you are doing the practical, na? SQL. Type it SQL. Just open. Just open. Just open it. Open it, guys. Okay. Now it's trying to opening. It's trying to opening, guys. Wait. Okay, now I want to increase the size. So simple properties inside the font. 24 is good. No, 20 is good. 24 is good. I want to bold. Bold is good. Okay. So now it's working. Now it's working. My username is system. Also, I am today I will share one thing. One table is there. EMP table is there. Is there. So inside the EMP table, all the data is there. All the data are there. So like this much. Select star from EMP. So this one data is there inside the EMP table. So this table is for the practicing purpose, guys. Okay. This table are practicing purpose. Some sequence also I will share with you. Don't worry. Just follow our this one page. IT Coding Park the page in the Facebook. Just follow this page. Then you will get this notes. I will upload it after the class. I will upload after the class one table data. Okay, guys. So here you can get it. Here, this is the IT Coding Park. You can send me. Then you can directly follow. When I upload anything, you will get the notification on your Facebook page. Okay. So this is the page. It's opening. Network slow. Network is okay. So this is the page, guys. 2.8 followers are there, guys. So here, daily questions. My team will upload any questions, interview question related things, sorted questions. Okay. Also updated all these things. I will upload it here. Uh, so here I will upload this table data, how, okay, so you can collect it. You can collect from that. So now I want to set that line, set the like line size 120. Okay, let's see, set it or not. It's set it. So now let's set line size with the method. Before that, it's coming like that, here and there kind of thing. By using this command, set your line size. 120, I want to set it. So this must table is there. So we use this table for our testing purpose. Okay. So now, guys. So our next is, so let's start. So not required, just close this. Okay. Close that. Now today's session is session 7. So now I will start from second query. Second command is, guys, observe. Second command is update. So I'm going to start update. So now update. Update is the command. Okay. So now update. No, I think so the methods are there, na? So before that update, first method we have discussed in this session, na? Yes. Okay, first method. So now we start the second one. Just copy this. 1 minute. Do one thing. Copy this and here paste it. Okay. Now it's okay. Now we start second method. Second method is what the method. Method second is there. Second method is 18 is good. Okay. So now the second method is that by using one operator, this operator called substitutional operator. When you use this operator, then one message is showing on your console window, like here. Here, one message it will showing. One message it will showing. Enter the enter the enter the value for, suppose if you want to insert data inside the particular table, so you can just declare the column name. That's it. By using the substitutional operator, just pass the pass the column name and that's it. Hit enter. After hit enter, then this will ask, it will ask to you enter value for yes no या e no, enter value for name and just hit it. Okay. So let's try this. Okay, let's try this. So now here, observe this guys, observe. So now method two, it used, oh, black is good. Now, it used for method two is used, it used substitutional substitutional operator. Substitutional operator. So what is this operator, guys? This one is the substitutional operator. In it used substitutional operator. Okay. Method two is used substitutional operator. Method two used substitutional operator. So now substitutional operator. So now here, yes, syntax is insert into are the table name, and value just pass substitutional operator and column one, suppose column one comma substitutional operator and column two comma substitutional operator column three. Here you can pass column name, okay, and dot and number. So now suppose, okay, so this one is substitutional operator. This one is substitutional operator. This one is substitutional operator. Okay. So this one is substitutional operator and this one is the command. So now example is I am writing the example, then same example I will copy and paste it inside the SQL client machine and SQL client machine. SQL. So not required this, just black. Okay. So now here, just insert. Suppose I want to, we have table or not. Let's see. Let's check it out. Let's select star from first is table or then not. Let's go. No, table is not there. Let's say let's select star from EMP1 is there or not. EMP1 is there or not. Yeah, EMP1 is there. Okay, guys. Now I want to insert the data inside the EMP1. So now insert into table name. Suppose EMP1 is the table, EMP1 is the table and values. Suppose value, use which one? And it's called also AND operator, but in the database, in the Oracle database, it's called substitutional operator. So better to call substitutional operator, then we will habituate it to say. Then you get the habituation to say the substitutional operator. Substitutional operator pass the here ENO, comma, and substitutional operator pass the E name. That's it. Now here, close it. Control A, not required. Control A. Why? Because this one is required. Copy and let's try. Copy and paste it. Hit enter. Then observe this. It will ask. When you press the enter, this message you will get. So I hope I'm getting my point, but I'm trying to say it. Just enter. Suppose you enter 111, not a one, not one. Just hit enter. Again, this will ask enter a value for e name. Again, it will ask enter for value for e name, guys. So now here, one thing is remember, here is not required to pass not required to pass, suppose SBK or pass I3. Not SBK is good. SBK is good. Okay. Now here, not required to pass single quotes. Okay. Just see. Let's see. Let's see here. Come here. So now here pass one not one. One not one. Yeah. One not one is already there. So one not two is there. Hit enter. Here pass SBK. SBK. Just hit enter. So now here we will get one error. So we will get column not here. Column not here. What is that error, guys? What is that error? Here. One not two. Observe this. Observe. Here we pass without a column. Na? That's right. Yes, BK. So now here. So old insertion EMP1 is equal to this one. This message we will get. This message we will get. So now let's check it out. Data is inserted or not. Select star from EMP1. So now data is inserted, one not two. Suppose data is inserted. I want to tell you one thing about the commit and rollback. If you perform the rollback, that's it. Rollback completed. Now let's see. Now let's see the magic, guys. Let's select star from EMP. Now, 1, 2, not 2 is there or not? Guess anyone? Guess anyone? No. Let's see. It's removed. Why? Because before performing the commit operation, it is stored inside the buffer. Okay. One buffer memory will create. When you perform the insertion operation, then that data is stored inside the buffer. After performing the commit operation, then that data insert inside the permanent memory. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say, guys? Okay. So commit is this. If you perform commit operation, let's see. So now clear the screen. Up to that, I want to. Before that, I will tell you. Okay. First, I will commit operation. Commit. Perform one thing. One thing. What is that? Clear. SCR. Okay. So now I want to insert one more time. So do one thing. Do one thing. Copy this. Copy this here. Paste it. So now here, let's see. Enter the value of first. Just enter the value 103 because 102. Okay, 102 is removed. Huh? Now enter. Here we pass. Suppose again SBK I want to pass. SBK I want to pass. Just hit. One row is inserted or not. Let's see. Select star from EMP1. Data is there. Now performing commit. Perform commit operation. Okay. Performing commit operation. Then let's see. Then see. Select star from EMP1 is there. So now SBK is there or not? Just perform rollback. Rollback. The big beautiful concept. Yeah. Rollback. Now rollback is completed. Suppose, guess guys, guess. Data is there or data is removed? Data is there or data is removed inside the MP table like 102 and SBK is removed from the table or not? Table or not? Yes, no, no. Yes, good. No, no. Just see. Perform the select. Perform. Let's see. Data will not remove. So now this is the work query. Up to this is important for the knowledge purpose. I'm saying this commit and rollback. Okay. Some people mail me on this only for this topic. Sir, can you teach me this like this? What is the difference between rollback and this? So some people mail me. Yeah. I'm surprised. That's why I'm telling you. That's okay. Not an issue. It's okay. Okay. If you send me the any query, I will solve it in the classroom. Okay. Related to class, just mention a classroom. Okay. Which class passing the query? Which class you want the clarification? Like Spring Boot is going on, Spring MVC is going on also, and Oracle is going on, and when Advanced Java batch is going on, just mention the batch. Okay, Advanced Java, Spring Boot MVC. Then send the query. Okay. Otherwise, you can use which one here? YouTube comment box also. I will give answer there also. Don't worry. So now up to that is clear, na? Up to that is clear. So now here just paste it. Yeah, just paste it. Now the thing. What is the thing is required? This one is not required. This one is just remove it. Here quotes is required. Okay, single quotes is required. If you without quotes, it will not. So now this is the second way to insert the data. This is the second way to insert the data. So now here. So now here I want to insert. I want to insert one more time. One more time. One more time. So Control V. So now just press slash and table last. What is the meaning of slash? What is the meaning of? I want to tell you. When you perform slash operation, then you perform the last operation. That operation it will repeat automatically. SQL command, Oracle command, client command, it will recognize you want to perform last query, you want to perform last query by using slash. Anytime you can using that performing last query. Suppose I want to perform insertion operation. Insert, insert into sorry into what is that emp1 values instead of value I want to perform a substitutional operator. What is that? Envo comma ename substitution use substitutional operator. Okay, so now here just perform this. Hit enter and it will ask enter a name. Suppose 103. Okay, performing the name. Suppose I trick. Okay, hit enter. Now, observe this, guys. Observe. It's data is inserted or not. Let's. I want to insert one more time. Same record I want to insert. Not a same record. Same query I want to perform again. So now just slash enter slash hit enter. Then it will ask again. This is the last query, na? This is the last query, guys. So observe this. This is the last query. So now 104 is there. Okay, 104 is there. Suppose ITSP technology is our channel. So you observe this single quotes is required. Okay, now table is inserted. Let's see. Select star from EMP1. Data is there or not there? Now now here if you want to perform rollback operation, then this last time updated data will be removed from the buffer. Why? Because at this time data is existed inside the buffer, temporary data. You can call also as a temporarily this ITRIC and ITSP data are there. So if you perform rollback operation, if you want to perform rollback operation, then that data will removed from the table, guys. Observe. Okay. So now let's try rollback or commit. Rollback or commit. Just perform the commit operation. We will perform rollback. Then we will remove from the table, guys. Commit. Now perform rollback. Now no effect. No, it will give a no effect on your table. So commit. So now let's star from EMP1. So now here data is there. Data is this. So now this is the total second method. This is the second method, guys. This is the first method. So now I want to give the query also give it now. So now this one is required. Okay. Control C and here. Sorry. Here just paste it. Okay. Now up to that I hope you got something. Up to that I hope we will get something. Okay. So now let's start third method. Third method is also very important, guys. Third method is also very important. Suppose if you want write it first I want method third is suppose if you want to skip suppose here the 1 minute, guys, 1 minute here suppose if you want to skip the column, suppose if you want to skip the column, if you column, if you column, then you want to insert the data. Suppose you don't want to insert like here. If you don't want to insert ENO number, just you want to insert one thing. What is the thing? Name. You want to insert name. Then you can this method, third number of method bits. Okay, if you want to insert only number, ENO number, employee number, then you can insert and remove this. Remove this. Skip this column. Skip this column. So this is the third method. So let's standard. Yes. Okay. So now here, observe. So this method used for skipping the skipping the columns. Okay, just close this. So now when you perform this, okay, skipping the columns. So now syntax, write the syntax. Syntax. Syntax is, what is the syntax? Syntax is insert into table name. Here you pass the column. Here you pass the column 1, column 2. Here you can pass the column 1 and column 2. Okay. Which column data, which column want to insert the data? Which column you want to insert the data? That column I have mentioned here. Then pass the value. Like value 1, value 2. This is the total. Okay. So now let's try. We have only 2 column method. So now let's try. What is that, guys? So now here, suppose SQL, and SQL, what is that? SQL insert into table name is the first, not the first. EMP1 is there. Inside the EMP1 ENO, I want to insert ENO values, pass the values of values, pass the value 105. Let's try. Let's execute this command, guys. Execute this command. Okay. Let's see. So now control V, just hit enter. Control inserted. Let's try. Let's see. Select start from EMP1. Now observe this. We skip this ename column. We skip this ename column, guys. So now this one is important. Yeah, okay. So now this one is not required. This one is required. Okay. Deleted. Now performing select. This one up to this is not required. This one up to this is required. Okay. So now here, observe this. Here, we skip one thing. We skip one column. It is okay. Here we skip this column. Guys. We skip this column. No, we skip this column. We skip a number of columns. This column we skipped. Okay. So now this is the total way. This is the total 3 methods we have to insert the data, skip the data. Otherwise, you can check one more time. I want to check it. Just performing ENO instead of ENO, just passing ename, and here pass the value. If you passing the value, mismatch data type, then it will give a error. Data to pass, suppose Ramesh. I want to pass Ramesh. And inside the Ramesh, I want to pass Yanbo. Then skip the one column, then it's okay. Then it's okay. Select. Let's see. Star from EMP1. Now here, observe this. Ramesh is inserted, but column is missed. So now here, copy up to this, copy this here. Okay. Now here, observe here, paste it. Now paste it. Control E. This one is black is good. One row is created. Now just see. So this one is not required. I think so that is removed. Remove this one. So now here, observe this. Observe. Example number 2, guys. Example number 2. So now here, just now here. Now here, one column is missed, guys. One column is missed. We missed one column here. Observe this one. No, 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 no. This one. This one. We missed this column. This column we missed. Are you getting my point, guys? This column we missed. This column. Okay. And here we missed this column. Also this column. Okay, guys. Okay. Up to this, I hope you get the clear crystal clarity about this third method. So also we can insert the data, proper data inside the table. Suppose envo also I want to ename. Ename also I want, comma, here just pass, what is that? 106 is there. Okay. 106. Just let enter. Perform the select start from EMP1. Now, it is inserted. Ramesh is inserted to be allowed. Otherwise, you can just perform rollback. If you perform rollback, then it will remove from that. So not required. Just change the data. What is the name of what is the last query? Last query we have rename. Rename is the query, guys. Remember anyone? Anyone? Rename. Rename is the query, na? Not remember. Wow. Just perform alter. I want to rename Ramesh to Radha. Okay. Rename alter table EMP1. Rename the alter table rename column. What is that? Column. What is that? Column. Rename to column rename, not required column. Let's rename that. Rename to column renaming. This one is. So I want to rename alter EMP1. Rename just Ramesh. Oh, Ramesh to Radha. It's not working. Now, missing parenthesis substitutional keyword. Yes, substitutional keyword is not entered. So after this is good. Commit and clear SCR. Now here we got the clear SCR. Okay. So now we inserted the data, both data. So now next is the update. Next is the update. Next command is our update command, guys. Next command is update command. So we have update command. This is the very, very important. Update. Okay, update. Suppose if you want here, observe this. Select star from EMP. Not EMP. EMP1, EMP1. Okay. Suppose I want to add one column here. What is the method, guys? Add the column. Anyone? Add the column method. Add the column. Anyone know the column, guys? We have discussed the last class. We have discussed, I think, last to last class, we have discussed one alter. Drop commands are there, na? So one alter command is there, one alter is there. So alter having three parts. One is add, modify, and drop. Okay. So by using add method, we can insert one more column inside the table. So how? Let's see. Alter, alter table, table is the MP1, table name is the father, alter table name. Add, but the salary table I want to add it. Here you go pass a number like 10. Okay, just hit enter. Then table is added. Table is altered. Here we got the message. Table is altered. So now let's see. Select. Let's see. Select the star from EMP1. Let's see. So table is added on table. Sorry, not table. Column is added on column is added. Now here is the comments. Now I'm pasting it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Here I'm pasting. Okay. Here I'm pasting. Okay. Now here I'm pasting. So now update up to that is remaining here. Suppose this one is. So now here, observe this, guys. Observe. Why? Because why I'm inserting salary? I will tell you, don't worry. Suppose I want to insert the data. 103 salary is 3,000. Now 103 salary is 3,000. Any frozen's are there in insert query given anything to insert the data. Suppose I want to insert. If you think insert into what is the table name is the EMP, and here we pass envo, comma, e name, comma, salary. Okay. Now values, here we pass values. Suppose values we pass like, suppose we pass the values like, mm, here we pass the value to the particular now. So we have anything insert into EMP1, suppose EMP1 values, not a value, there EMP1, like ename, not ename, just pass, what is that? Salary, where classes I am using, where ENO equals to 103. 103. Here into insert where values. Here using values. What is the value? Salary is supposed 200, 2,000. Suppose let's try. We get the error. Where SQL is not ended. This much error we will get, guys. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. So now let's see where we are. Okay, SQL card. Here we have not the provisions to insert the data in the particular row. So by using insert operation, no way to insert a data in a particular row. So we have the way to insert a particular array by using update. By using update method, we can insert the data inside the particular row, guys. Okay. So now, what is the meaning of update? So write it. It used to, write it. It used to, it used to, it used to, it used to, sorry, to change data within within a table, guys. So now write the syntax is within the table we can change the data. The syntax is guys update table name, set is the word keyword, column name equals to new value. We want to pass the new value where is the classes column name equals to old value. Old value. So now here passing the SQL. Suppose SQL is last example I want. SQL update EMP1 table name set column like salary equals to I want to insert 2000 where envo equals to what is the number of that what is the number of I want to insert 103 where 103 is there 103 103. Let's execute this query. Let's execute this query, guys, inside the database. Now here, let's see. Select star from EMP1 in the table. So now here you can see here we updated. Salary is inserted inside the table, guys. Salary is inserted inside the table. Okay, salary is inserted inside the table. So now are you getting my point? What I am trying to say is okay. So now here update is there. Okay, update up to this, copy this, and here paste it. Paste it. Remove this. The salary. This one is removed. This one is removed. No, why? Because you should aware about how to insert. Now here, name. By using name also you can insert it. It's totally depends on you. It's totally depends on you. Here, this one is inserted. This one is inserted. The particular data. This one here. So this one we inserted inside the particular column. By using update command, we can insert it. Okay. So now here, what is the conclusion, guys? So now here we get one conclusion. Here we will get one conclusion. Here one get one conclusion. What? In all database, not related to Oracle, in all database, if we want to insert data into particular cell, then we we must use update command. Oh, that's it. Now this is the key points for the above guys. Okay, this is the most usable command to insert the data in a particular column. Okay, by using this one, you can also use it. Use this query and set here. You can set using a salary instead of salary column. If you want to insert another column, just pass here and pass the value and you give the intimation to the um, SQL server. Give the intimation to the SQL server. I want to insert this record like INO and INO. Okay. So this is the total. This is the total amount. Now here I want to tell you one thing is suppose update first set address. Not here is not set address is not there. Suppose set ename set ename equals to null. Set ename equals to null where 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 salary where salary no. I want to set here salary. Yeah, salary just salary. Salary instead of null passing here. What is that? Where ename your ename equals to what is that? Atomic. Just let's see. Now here first is not command. Yeah, first table view. EMP1. EMP1 is there. Okay, now let's see. Invalid iterc. Invalid iterc. Why? E name is then where invalid is saying just try to change the name guys. Suppose ENO I want to pass ENO name instead of passing ENO here ENO equals to one not sorry just row updated guys row update. Let's see select star from EMP1. What is that? Now here, observe this. Now instead of this, null is storing. Instead of this, salary null is storing. So now it's working, guys. It's working commands. Control C here, important. Huh? Control V, SQL. SQL. Okay. So now here, also put it here. Good. Okay. Copy this. Paste it. Control A, and I should change the color. This one is good. Okay. Now here, just use it. This one, delete. I want to increase some size. Yeah. Okay. Come here. Okay. Just provide some definition about this. Then I will give you the information. Then I will give you the proper notes. Don't worry. Observe this. Observe guys. So here we inserted instead of null. We inserted here null. What is that value? Here inserted null. Null is not showing. Null it will not showing. But it is storing the null value. Let's see. Describe EMP. Now here, observe this. Observe. Null is there, no guys. Null is there. So now this is the total today's session discussion. On next session, we will learn some more commands like delete commands and other commands also. So thank you for watching. We will meet next session.